All right, so this is Cryptastic Hacker. I'm over here with Ira. This is Ira.
Hey, how you doing?
Yo, so Ira's got two power chairs. One of them is this Jazzy, what is this, 614 HD. This one's definitely in the better shape of the two. But Vince, you told me that she got these questions for Ira. I figured the easiest way is to go through the questions on a video. So then you hear it from Ira, and it's not like me playing the middleman, interpreter. So, okay, you ready for the questions? Okay, question one, did you get any of your chairs through insurance or was out of pocket? Okay, so both the chairs out of pocket, okay. And then has it been over 5 years? I don't know if that's relevant if it's out of pocket. What is his disability, and did his doctor write a script for a new chair?
Yes, he did. Yes, he did.
Okay.
And, I got my foot cut off. Yeah, and I'm waiting on prosthetic now as we speak. It's been like over 4 or 5 years. I was riding another scooter, and you see how my knee don't straighten out?
Oh.
That's because I had one of them, just a regular knee scooter, and I rode it so long and turned my knee down. So now
Okay.
I'm in the process of trying to get my knee straightened up so I can get the process. I had an infection down there, but it's all healed up now. So now it's just getting my legs straight, and I'll be able to walk, because I really want to walk more than I want a chair.
Of course, yeah.
If you can't help me, I need help, right?
Yeah.
Because that scooter right there is not even mine.
Yeah. Okay.
Somebody, back to the question.
Okay, so yeah, back to the questions. So that's, you answered that one, and then we go into the type of chair. Group 2 power chair does not offer features like tilt. If you can walk a little, they will offer this chair, not Group 3. That doesn't sound like that's the case. Group 3 power chair has additional features like tilt and recline, depending on how it's optioned. If he's in the chair all day, does not transfer independently. There may be issues with pressure sores. That's not the case. From what it looks like, he has a Group 3 chair, which is the Quantum. He wants to get running. So I will need to see the chairs to determine which one will be cost effective since they are stored outdoors. If the cushions are mildewed. Okay. I think that's it for the questions. So the questions are, did you get the chair from insurance? No. Was it out of pocket? Yes. He asked, did you reach out to the vendor for repairs?
Yeah, and then tell me, one of them said they couldn't help me because I wasn't, I wasn't the one that got the papers. And then the other one would say it costs $150 for them to come out, and
Oh, yeah.
I don't have that kind of money,
Yeah, that's what they do. Okay. Cool. Yeah, I think that's good. I'm gonna stop the recording. Hopefully this is what you need, Vince, and we'll take it from here.